Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking about a particular plugin that is going to give you the capability to stream to multiple platforms in OBS. Though by default, OBS comes with only one built-in streaming capability. So with this particular plugin, this gives access to streaming to multiple platforms at the same time, whether YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, or any other social media platform. So the plugin we are going to be talking about is Atom. Though I've already made a video about this, but in this video I'm going to be explaining in full details on how to use this plugin very well. So I've already installed this plugin. The name of this plugin is Atom Multistream. So you can just open it. If you haven't installed it, I'll be dropping the link to this particular plugin in the description of this video. I've already uploaded this plugin in the Telegram channel, but for those of you that don't have access to the Telegram channel, so I'll be dropping the link again in this video. So you are going to search it. You can just search it by yourself by visiting the Tom or official website. Just go down. You're going to see the free free vertical plugin and free multi-stream plugin right here. Alright, now so I've installed it and I'm currently using OBS right now, so I'm using it to record this particular tutorial. So as you can see right now, this is OBS and this is the plugin. This is because I dock it with my control. That's the reason why it's down right here. So you can, if you are familiar with OBS, you are going to know that we have dock functionalities in OBS where I can drag anything into anywhere on the interface. So once you install it, if you don't see this, just come to the dock right here. Once you click on dock, just make sure the multi-stream is turned on, is checked right here. As you can see, it is checked. Now once you check it, it's going to like open this dock. You can pin it anywhere, but I'm going to pin it right here. So so let's configure it. So I'm just going to go straight into this tutorial now to use this particular plugin. So right now, so once you install the tool, there are some other things that you're going to see also. You're going to see the vertical screen, you're going to see the vertical source, vertical scene transition, and vertical. So but let's take it one by one. We are going to start with this automatic stream, which is this one. So let's configure this to stream to multiple platforms at the same time. So right here, just click on this gear icon, which is the settings. Going to open this multi-stream settings. So I've already configured to streaming right here, so I'm going to delete these two right here. Now this is where you're going to add your social media, let's say stream key, to stream this particular program to. So I'm just going to click on this add input. So as you can see, we have many options here. We have Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and so on and so forth. And we also have RTMP. So if you have maybe the platform support RTMP with stream key, you can just paste it right here. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be using YouTube and Facebook. So we're going to be configuring these two platforms, and we're going to be streaming to the two platforms at the same time. Now, first of all, let's set up YouTube. So I'm going to open browser right here, and I'm going to go to YouTube. Okay, YouTube right here. So I'm going to go visit, and I'm going to open Facebook also. So if I go to Facebook, let's open the two. So yeah, so now let's see which one is going to load first. So right here, I'm on Facebook. I'm just going to click on this live video since we're going live. Same on YouTube. Click on create, then go live. If you are going live on Facebook for the first time, you might be prompted to wait for 24 hours, which means you have to set it up before that particular time you want to use YouTube, before you can use this streaming opportunity in YouTube Studio. So now here, let's just click on this. I don't think, okay, click on go live. So once clicking on go live right here, so what we just need is just the stream key. So I'm right here on YouTube. If you see right here, we have stream key right here, and make sure your stream key is set to default. Though there are many options right here, but make sure it's set to default. Then copy this. We don't really need the streaming URL. We don't need it. So now let's go back to OBS. So I'm going to paste this right here. So then create output. So we've already had our YouTube. Now let's add our our Facebook. So I'm going to go back to Facebook also to copy this. That's really what we need, but make sure it is persistent. Your persistent string key is on. So I'm going to paste the string key right here. So now As you can see, we've already had these two platform right here. If I come to and click OK right here, if I press this, you're going to see this error. So it says unable to start output. This output is configured to use your main encoder, which is built-in stream, which is this right here. As you can see, built-in stream is not turned on. So just click OK, turn this on. So let's see if it is going to turn on. So it's going to start the encoder that's come with built-in encoder that come with OBS. If you come back to control here, you can see we are streaming, but we are not using this one that come with OBS, since we want to use what they call it. We want to use this particular plugin. So once I start the built-in stream, I can start the YouTube also, then I can start the Facebook. So both of them is going to start, though it might not start immediately. As you can see, used to YouTube start first. So we are waiting for your Facebook to start also. So let's just check the YouTube. Okay, welcome to Chrome right here. Our Facebook is starting. As you can see, the reason why Facebook is starting is because we select the built-in stream, which is using this right here. As you can see, Facebook is turned on right here, so Facebook is, and we are live on Facebook. Let's check YouTube also, whether we are live on YouTube. So the YouTube is still loading. As you can see right now, we are live on YouTube also. I can decide to add another platform because I don't have an account on Twitch or maybe on TikTok also. That's the reason I'm not streaming to. We are not adding another, but in your own case, if you have an account on Twitch, you can add it also by just coming to this, clicking on this gear icon, then click on add output, then select Twitch right there. So if you have a platform whereby you are going, you have access to the server URL and the stream key, you can put that right here also. So just click on OK, then start it right here. So as you can see, we are live on YouTube. Same goes to this one right here. We are live on Facebook also. I can decide to just impute the title, then click on this go live. Then same things, we are live on YouTube right now because you don't see the video because I private this video for the sake of this tutorial. So that's that about that. So alright, let's talk about the vertical, the second plugin also, which is the vertical. So to activate the vertical, just come to dock right here, then click on this vertical right here to turn it on. So it's going to open this. You can configure the vertical, what is going to show right here. This is where it's the same thing as main streaming source. You just have to add the source we are. Let me just delete this. If I delete, okay, we are using the same thing, which is desktop capture. So if you have the camera, you can just add it right here, then and it's going to show over, but you're going to crop the adjust the video to make it be at the center. So that's that about these two plugin, which is a very cool plugin in my own. I really like the plugin very well. It's worked for me very well. So if you add multiple platforms, want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time, this plugin is a very great one for you. And another thing I love about this plugin is that I can decide to record this vertical video by just clicking on this record button. So it's going to record this vertical, which can give me opportunity to post to maybe TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or maybe any other platform that support vertical video, like maybe on Instagram for Reels or Facebook Reels. So it's a very good plugin also, and I can live stream this vertical one also to platform like TikTok and so on. Just click on this gear icon, then come to vertical, then add output. When you click on output, I can send you add TikTok. Just get your TikTok server URL, then get your TikTok stream key, then create output. Once you create output, you can do the same thing by just clicking on this button right here once it show right here. So that's just that about this particular plugin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.